In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the text density and spacing in Gmail in just a few seconds. This is a super useful setting if your inbox feels too spread out, too tight, or just not comfortable to read. By changing Gmail's density, you can make the layout easier on the eyes and customize the way your emails appear. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips and simple how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once the Gmail page loads, sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. You'll want to make sure you're on the main inbox screen before changing any settings, because that's where the density options are easiest to access. Now, look up at the top right corner of Gmail and click the Settings gear icon. This is the main place where Gmail lets you adjust your inbox display, layout, and quick preferences. As soon as you click it, a quick settings panel will slide open on the right side of the screen. Inside quick settings, scroll or look for the section labeled density. This is the setting that controls how much space Gmail uses between messages, labels, and text. Gmail gives you three choices here: default, comfortable, and compact. If you choose default, Gmail will use its standard layout, which gives you a balanced amount of space and is a good middle ground option for most users. If you choose comfortable, Gmail will spread things out a little more, making the inbox feel cleaner and easier to read. This is a great choice if you prefer more visual space between emails. If you choose compact, Gmail will fit more information on the screen by reducing spacing, which is ideal if you want to see more emails at once and keep your inbox max amount efficient. Just click the density option you want and Gmail will update instantly. You don't need to save anything manually, and you don't need to refresh the page. The change happens right away, so you can immediately see how the spacing and text density look in your inbox. If you want, you can try each option for a moment and switch between them until you find the one that feels best. That's one of the nice things about Gmail settings. They're easy to change anytime, so you can customize your inbox to match your workflow. And that's how you change the text density and spacing in Gmail. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable your inbox feels every day. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Gmail tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.